In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new quote. So we're on the quotes list landing page you can find on the left hand side, and we'll just add a quote here. Quote name, client, we'll put Sri Lanka. Quote details, we have a box here, you can move the box. I've just taken some text from Wikipedia, so we're going to create the quote. We've got search boxes all throughout eBoss, so you can just type in the search. We've got the quote listed here. And now the quote behaves exactly like a job, except for one small exception. So we've got files here you can upload, expenses, materials, fees, etc. The only difference between creating a quote and also creating a job is you estimate your hours in regards to labour. When you're in a job, you're going to have staff and users adding hours to the job. So you do estimate that and save those changes. The rest of the data, as it is the same as a job, you can see our job turbo tutorial or our job tutorial in the longer form on YouTube. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time.